So the case, from what I heard just now, was dismissed against Seymour. Chrissy send that child to live with a family member. I don't think it is in the child's best interest for that child to be living in the home with Seymour.
That does not mean that he is innocent, and he still stained his character. And I still don't like you, Seymour, because I believe you did it. That little girl is not lying on you.
The promoter them, I feel like on a field teacher. I gotta be real, on a field teacher. This was supposed to be a historic concert. It's supposed to be historic for Jamaica, and I feel like it missed the mark. When it
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we will discuss Seymour's case being dropped, allegedly. Khago gave his 2 cents about the whole Skatta and Joe and Labas and Popcorn. Jay Frey said that Freedom Street should have been a historic moment and that the show missed the mark, according to him. That's his opinion. Wayne Marshall gives Vybz Kartel his flowers in return because he had big him up on a podcast. We'll look into that a little later on. And then a video release of Popcorn's entourage that is also combined with Law Boss, Chronic Law's entourage. So before we get into those clips, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a like on the video, and share. Check this out.
I've been sleeping all day because you know me, I forgot dance tonight a cocktail party. But thank you to my mix-up minion who brought this to my attention. As of yesterday, December 30th, 2024, Cushane Demaya Carter case that he has against him, a criminal felony molestation charges, it has been closed. So I'm gonna put the screenshot that I took from the county clerk's page, and I don't know why it has been closed, guys. Like they don't go into details. I'm gonna put everything that I know on my screen. So yeah, it's closed. The charges dropped. They're saying that it's supposed to come off of his record. It can come off of his record, but when it not coming out of mine. And a lot of people were assuming that this was going to happen. But yeah, the case is closed. That does not mean that he is innocent, and he still stained his character. And I still don't like you, Seymour, because I believe you did it. That little girl is not lying on you. But that's just how the justice system works sometimes. Anyways, comment down and let me know what y'all think.
So the case, from what I heard just now, was dismissed against Seymour, and Seymour on his way home. As an ex-officer of the court, my stance remains the same. I respect the decision of the court, but I am still asking that Chrissy send that child to live with a family member. I don't think it is right. I don't think it is in the child's best interest for that child to be living in the home with Seymour, because we already know what is going to continue to happen based on Seymour headspace, and we already know what Chrissy come up with as it relates to that matter being dismissed. My prayers and thought and concern is with that poor child. What is the future of that child in that home? That is all I am concerned about.
I agree with what this young lady says here. I feel like the child is going to be uncomfortable, whether it's true or not, whether she was coached or not, whether she was told to change her story, whether it was a lie. it got uncomfortable for her either way. But I Chrissy Pitney that me expect her to send her away, you understand? But yeah, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think he is guilty? Do you think this was all made up? Do you think this was a lie? Do you think CMR just... Well, I saw... Oh, let me show you what the people were saying in the comment section. So this person says, I think they silenced that little girl. Somebody else says the daughter probably withdrew the claims. That is sad. Years later, she will be telling this story. Somebody else said, Chrissy thinks she owns CMR life because him bring her a foreign to bring him owner. Him owner is so sickening as a mother, but CMR will soon learn. And I don't want to say that part. Only read that, Jesus Christ. But as a mother, this hurts me because me can't believe Chrissy picked man over her child. Well, you guys can read it and you can go on the you can find it on TikTok. But you guys let me know. Do you think he's innocent? Do you think this was all a lie? Do you think, this will blow over? Let me know in the comment section.
The promoter them, I feel like on a field teacher. I gotta be real, on a field teacher. This was supposed to be a historic concert. It's supposed to be historic for Jamaica, and I feel like it missed the mark. When it comes down to the attendance, the stadium wasn't filled to capacity. And don't get me wrong, it was a good effort. But at the same time, I feel like, say, Downtown Records, I don't know how much in a pay Kartel. We hear one crazy figure. But I don't know if that's why when they make the ticket price them so expensive, why the people them couldn't afford the ticket. Vybz Kartel can fill that stadium to capacity 2 nights easily, back to back. Easily. With the right price. And I've been saying this for the longest. The price is insane. Coachella, Rolling Loud, some of the biggest artists in the world don't have these prices, bro. I don't care if a man gone away for fucking 13 years or 31 years. A poor people country, this brother. Kartel fans them are poor people. The people them will come out and to free Vybz Kartel down a block clot downtown or whichever street that is, Duke Street, Orange Street, 3rd Street, whichever street. Are poor people. And disrespect the poor people them. Kartel and a promoter, una promoter. And if it's a case where you have a conversation with teacher and teacher never there take no talk in terms of how much you're not gonna pay him or how much you feel like you can price the event at, you feel as promoters, bro. And if Kartel never listen to you, if you did say that, Kartel feel him fans. You see me? The stadium should have ram.
Everybody is entitled to their own opinion, and that is what Jay Frey thinks. Now, I don't know what the order of business was as to the reason why they priced those tickets, but they have, as you can see, they have layers. They have different choices. If you cannot afford the 3 bills or 4 bills, you get the bleachers. You get the bleachers. Not like the entire thing was 3 bills. But anyway, Jeffrey, I left you for the Gaza nation for rip you to pieces. Okay? But somebody else will go defend it. It's pretty done. And this is what she has to say. Check this out.
Happy New Year. Batman Jeffrey. I understand, so you not get the interview where Fix did get from Kartel. You stop and feel like the bitch that you are. Go and go suck out your girl pussy or tan pussy or body hole with a long tongue, suck pussy tongue the way you have in your mouth. Nobody never invite you to Freedom Street and nobody never tell if you come carry your pussy clat idiot waste man daddy whenever did a mine your money for your picnic come spend on a Kartel place. You come in a blood class stadium for coming to come watch seat and watch crowd because Batman Rummy send you. Batman Jeffrey, go and go find a life no. Go and go find one feather make y'all play in your batty hole no batty boy. So good Jeffrey. Why you not shut your mouth? Nobody no want to come and Let's Be a Batman podcast. Go and go be a fish somewhere else. Freedom Street never asked you in a blood clot televised situation. Go and go televise your mouth in a one batty hole like you normally do. Thank you.
So there's a video circulating of Popcorn and Chronic Law's entourage outside waiting for Skatta to give them the go-ahead to go in. Now, you guys hear the story already when Futa say you know, when timing call over the little walkie-talkie, and you know, he must say, can't bother with Popcorn and the 100 man, and then Popcorn put out a statement saying he didn't even Skatta didn't even know how much people. Now if this is really a recent video of how many people this past 100 seen, but what I'm saying is, if you know that Popcorn have a large entourage, you guys should have communicated both I don't know wrong how many people coming. So me have 50 labas, have 50, just get all of them ban, or just come out there, open the damn gate and just let in the people them avoid stress. But anyway, check out this video.
Popcorn this a key and blood. Where there? It's chronicle are the two. Where Papi there? Oh yeah, Bombo Club. Them guys are run.
Too much money can't go in. That's what I ain't got it. It's a good for one picture, no? Take care already.
Video. So after all of that now, Khago had his 2 cents. This is what he had to say about the entire situation between Skatta, Chronicler, and Popcorn. Check this out.
Khago, what you have to say about Papi and Skatta now?
I don't know too much about Papi now, but I can tell you about Skatta. All me have to warn you and tell you now. You see Skatta no like me, you know. He used to like me. But we can't tell you right now, we can't tell you maybe he no like me. But Granny said devil black, but you can't paint him too black. You see all of them show you what you see I keep the Sunfest, Vybz Kartel show, and Skatta keep them. You might have asked me, why you really attack the car? Why does Skatta Joe? No, Joe pack up long time. Joe pack up for Fantan Moja and Nanko and all of the artists that Joe pack up. Yes. Joe pack up for Sting. Everybody make their little mistake, but I can't tell you, if it wasn't for that man, Joe pack up and gone long. You know me, I don't, Skatta, we can't tell you something. You don't expect me to talk good boy, you know. Yes, you don't expect me to talk good boy, but the past are just the past, we are talking about the present. That man deserve a whole heap of respect. Ramesh deserve a whole heap of respect. When you not get rid of the 2 most prominent promoter we have, what we ever do?
You guys can tell me what you think about that in the comment section. Still on Vybz Kartel. The other day, Kartel went on a podcast and he big up Wayne Marshall and said Wayne Marshall boast him, you know, one of the biggest thing they want to do with Wayne Marshall, and Wayne Marshall is now here to return the favor because he said that part of the history book is not about, but like it's not being highlighted, and if Kartel never opened him out, nobody would remember that. So now Wayne Marshall is giving Kartel his flowers. So check this out.
There's also the day of Vybz Kartel Freedom Street show, so you know, say stadium lock off the roads, them one way up and beer thing. So a bag of thing I go on. So I said that to say this. There's a clip going around on social media now where Kartel is doing an interview with Reshma B and Rob Kenna for Boom Shots. Big up yourself to that team. So Kartel mentions part of his journey that included me. I can drop it right here. So,
and just to say, when you said Vybz Kartel led the new millennium, as a matter of fact, that was the title of the song that made me famous, New Millennium, with me and Wayne Marshall. You know what I mean? So shout out to Wayne Marshall as well. Funny story, when I went to the studio that day and I said, Dan, I have a new song, but I don't have a hook for the song. Anyway, I recorded the song in a call Kanai, with a buckle of Kanai, and I didn't have a hook at the time. So Dan Corleone said he's gonna let Wayne Marshall do the hook. And at that time, Wayne Marshall was a bigger artist than I was, because I didn't get the break.
Really?
Yeah, so I was like, Dan, you serious? You really ever get Marshall? And he must say, yeah, everything good. So the next day when I came to the studio, I heard Wayne Marshall on the hook. In the chorus, that's where we got the title from, because he said, this is a new millennium, different thing I'm going. So yeah.
So what was interesting about that clip is that the truth is Kartel have 3,000 hit song, right? And that song that we did that brought him to commercial success was 25 years ago. So guess what? It's easy for that narrative to be lost in the archives, lost to history. If he doesn't mention that, nobody would remember that, because there's been so many songs and so many chapters in his story. So just like how him big me up, I'm going to shout him out for being authentic and for being real. When you're authentic, you speak from truth. You don't speak to please your ego. You don't speak to create a narrative that suits you or feels right or, you know, is the in story or, you know what I mean? You just start the thing them, all the thing them go. And we're lacking that. We're really lacking that in this current day, and that is what a lot of you guys love us for, because we are vulnerable, we are truthful with how we feel. I may have to say, big up to Vybz Kartel for talking the thing them, all the thing, because I heard other interviews, even the fix, he mentioned and say, yo, how them asking about the rhyming. I know, you know, when it comes to rhyming, we always have the timing. So he was just reminding people that his early training days in rhyme school and wordplay school, a lot of it was with me, him and Sasko, where we would just go off and he mentioned that, and that was also good to hear for no say, yo, I didn't forget say the foundation of, you know, when all the way I wrote together them time, that it was like iron, a sharp iron. You see me I say? And you know how we do it already. You know the rhyme them is like second nature to it, because we come from them school them. We have a big up Bounty Killer, Real G. They know it's New Year's night, whatever. We're going to be spending it with families.
Remember when Tam Kartel verbally, lyrically, don't do all alliance, you know. So you see the fact that him and a few people out of Gaza same way did fall out, and now everybody in an alliance, a friend, they're cool. I love to see the unity, so I like to see equal respect being shared amongst dancehall artists. Love that. Big up Kartel, big up Wayne. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.